Hello, this is Mr. Agbamu Idonogrene. So in this video, I want to show you how you can work with transformation in your classroom using Geogebra Classic. All right. So you already know Geogebra. You are used to the tools. So to come to transformation, this is the place you come to. As you click on this, you will see all the transformation tools all available. We have dilate, that's for enlargement or reduction. We have the translate by vector, whereby you can move the object using a particular vector. Then you have rotate, whereby you can rotate an object around a point. So without a point, you cannot actually rotate an object. Then we have reflect, which is you can either reflect on a line. In our school, especially the Cambridge system, we do more on reflection about a line. We don't usually do reflection about a point or reflection about a circle or an arc. You can actually do all that in GeoGebra. But let me just do the common ones we have. All right. Now let's do something on dilate now. You can see the dilate tool is on this side. And one beauty of GeoGebra is that as you place your mouse on whatever you want to do, it will always give you an information. So for us to dilate, we need the object to dilate, we need a center point, and we need a factor, which is our scale factor. So before you click on it, create your object first. So let's get our object. Let's take a simple polygon. Let me just take a four-sided shape, something like this. Just click on the screen so you get your four-sided shape. Let's take a simple rectangle, and this time around I don't want the label of the side to appear, this small a, b, c, and d. So just click on it, come to this place and hide them. Just click, come here, click on hide, all the label will go. So that is that. All I need is only the label of the point. Alright, so that is that. I've done my object. You can click and drag it anywhere you want to position it on the screen. So let me leave it here. Then remember, after the object, the next thing you need is you need a center point. So just click on point, place the point wherever you want on the screen, and don't forget the name of this point is point E. Because you may be asked in case you want to do dilate, the system may ask you in case you are typing it here or you come and pick it here. If you pick it here, it's quicker and fast. Then because I want my enlargement to be a dynamic one, I don't want to enlarge it with a particular scale factor, and that is all. In your classroom, you may want to make your lesson dynamic. So to make it dynamic, use slider to do that. So just click on the slider, click on empty space. This is the name of the slider E, but I want it to be called scale. So let's type scale. So the name of my slider is scale. So we can leave it minimum -5, maximum +5. But the increment, I want it to be 0.1 so that to be increasing gradually. I don't want it to be jumping in multiples of 1. Let it increase in multiples of 0.1. So that is all. Now our object is ready to be dilated. Now you can either click on here to dilate, or you can type it on the input bar. If you just type your DIL, see, dilate will appear. That's another beauty with GeoGebra. As you type in your command, if you don't know how to do any command, just type it. As you type it on the GeoGebra view, as you just type the first 3 letters, you see options will come out. So if I want to use this way, so the name of my object, I'll come and get it in this algebra view. The dilation factor, so this is my dilation factor, which is this slider. Then my dilation center point is point E. So I can actually use this to do my dilate, and I'm good to go. Let me just show you how to use this. As you click on it, the object is this. I need to know the name of the object. Let me delete it. So in my algebra, we look at the name of my polygon. The name of my polygon is Q1. So if I click on this play, just watch as I click on this, see Q1 has disappeared to tell you that Q1 is the polygon that I want to dilate. Then another thing again, the name of my center point is E. You can see E here. As I click on E, you see E has disappeared. Just watch as you click on this, E has gone. So that's another thing. Then the last thing is my scale. It's my scale, which is my slider. So you can either use here or you use the other way to get it. Anyone you do, it will be quick and fast for you. So if it's this one, it's easier for me to use this as I click my object, click my center point, then I put my factor, just type scale here to just go as easy as that. So that is scale and that is enter. So you can see it's already been dilated now. So as you click and move, see you are enlarging it using the slider. So with this, your class will actually be dynamic for your student. They can ask questions, you can do your demonstration, and that is that. So very easy to dilate an object, either you make it big or small in your work. You can move the object to any position. You see, as you are moving, it's affecting the enlarged value. You can put it in the origin. You can move the point. You can move the point on the origin and see how it enlarged. See the way it enlarged. So you are enlarging this object on this point. You can move the point out of the origin. You can place it anywhere. You can see the enlargement based on this scale factor. Okay, so if the scale factor is negative, you can see it will be in the opposite direction. If you place the point at the origin, scale factor negative, see it's being enlarged in negative direction but in the opposite side of the object. So this is how you do your dilate in Geogebra. So that is all I have in this section of my video. In the next section of my video, I will show you another way of transformation you can also do in Geogebra Classic software. Thank you for watching. Do have a nice day.